What's up guys, back to my channel. Today we're going to make slime. So I already have my glue. It's in this container over here. I'm going to pour this glue into it because I already have a lot. Let's get all that glue out. It's taking a long time. Okay, so we got all the glue out. Now let's mix. And I already have some glue in here, like a bit, like some. But I already colored it because I don't want you guys to see. Okay, so I used this white glue. Not white glue. I mean white paint for my slime. And this blue. And this green. And it made this really, really pretty color actually. I actually really love this color actually. It's very pretty to me. And we're probably going to get some of my borax. Where is it? Where's my borax? Where did it go? Where did I put it? Oh, here it is. Okay. So here's my my activator. Can't really see it, but that's okay. So we're just going to put some. Okay, now we're gonna mix. It's working. Turning out actually like really good so far. It's a bit sticky, so we're just gonna add some more. That's literally just what you do. Just add more. If it's too sticky, just keep adding more. If it gets really good, then you just don't add more and you just mix, you know? You know, guys? It's like right now it's pretty sticky, but it's getting actually pretty good. So, yeah. So, we're going to mix this for pretty long time actually, because at the end we're just gonna make like a bunch of slime swirls, a bunch of cool things, a bunch of like really cool stuff and stuff, you know. Also guys, I made this other slime on TikTok. It's really cool and you should go follow me on TikTok because my username is ZonaZLP4. Go follow me on TikTok. And you can get my number on Snapchat. It's SwanFriend on Snapchat. Oh my god, it's super sticky, but it's actually getting there. It's actually getting pretty glossy slime. I love glossy slime, guys, and you should definitely make glossy slime because it's actually like really good. It's really good slime. I really like glossy slime. My friend just texted me. I feel really bad, and she texted me twice. I feel bad. I'll text her back after. I don't know what she's gonna say though. It's really good so far. Well, we still have more glue in there. Ooh, it crackled. Yes, good sign. Okay, it's not. This piece isn't that sticky anymore. It's super good. It's so glossy. It's so amazing. I actually like this one. I really like this color. Oh my god, it's like an Ibiza slime, guys. You should go to Spain and go to Ibiza. It's actually like amazing there. But we can't go there because of COVID-19. Sad. I really wanted to go, but it's okay because we're gonna get like a pool kind of thing, and we're gonna go in it, and it's gonna be fun this summer. So yeah, guys, if you're out of school, you're pretty lucky because I'm not yet. I have one more week. Some people, this was their like final day. Like yesterday was like their final day. Some people maybe. Really good. My friend's calling me. Oh my god, I feel bad. I declined. Oh, if she calls me, she rarely calls me. So this means something's really important. I don't know what it is. I'm actually like, we gotta go fast, guys. We gotta do this fast. Okay, so we're just gonna do this pretty fast because my friend's calling me, and I don't know why, because like this is a major emergency probably, because she never calls me. Oh my god, I feel so bad that I'm declining everything. I'm so sorry, Maya. I'm so sorry. Oh my god, I feel bad. We gotta do this fast, guys. We gotta do this fast. When we reach like 10 minutes, we're probably gonna be done. But like, if we're not, I feel really bad. And if she keeps calling me, I'm actually like really sad. That's actually like kind of sad. Somebody could be dying, and I'm declining her calls. Okay, it's really good so far. Trying to get the slime out. I have a bit left, but like I can just always get more because I've tied like right there. I can see the tide from here. I'm literally looking at it. It's right there. Yes, glossy slime it is. Yes. Wait, we gotta get this excess wetness, off the slime. Getting pretty good. Really good, guys. Very good right now. Doing pretty good. This slime is really good. Gotta take all of this excess slime. See this? This is excess slime. But you can still use it as slime because it's still fine. You just gotta like work with it and see how good it is. Don't use the pieces that are like kind of hard. It makes your slime all like bad. But this is a really good slime. It's kind of stringy, but when you mix it all together, if you go like this, guys, like this, and you clump it, then it gets really good. See? So guys, this is a really good slime. I very much recommend to make. And I gotta go answer my friend's calls, but we're just gonna do one last slime swirl and then we'll be done. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, share, do everything, sub, do stuff. And let's do our last slime swirl, and then I'll say bye to you guys. So let's do this last slime swirl because I gotta go answer my friend's phone, or else I'm gonna get yelled at. It's getting a bit sticky, but like it's fine. Okay, so let's do this. Here's the last slime swirl. Now let's crunch it up. See you guys next time. Goodbye. See you guys next time. Bye.